Okay, so to find the equation of a line for this particular problem, we're going to put this equation in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form means that it's going to be y equals mx plus b. So to rearrange this, we're going to add 5x. Now the reason you're adding is because negative and a positive will cancel out. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. Then we have negative 8y equals 5x plus 10. To get the y by itself, there's an implied multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. You do to all parts the other side. These cancel out, and you get y equals negative 5/8 x plus, and then when we reduce this, 10 and negative 8 can reduce by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. And the negative sign can be on the bottom or on the top or in front of it. So the slope of this one is negative 5/8, right? Slope is m. In this case here, m is negative 5/8. If it is perpendicular, which is what the question says, perpendicular says you're going to use the negative reciprocal. So the negative reciprocal is going to be 8/5. So you flip 5/8 to get 8/5. If this one's negative, this one's positive. If it had been positive, then this one we're going to have negative. So they need to be negative or different signs, negative reciprocals. So we have y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So we have y equals 8/5 x plus b. Now to solve for b, we're going to use the point. This is x, this is y. So we have negative 2 equals 8/5. X is 6 plus b. And then we have negative 2 equals 8 times 6 is 48. 48/5 plus b. Let's times everything by 5. So we have negative 10 equals 48 plus 5b. Right? If you multiply this one by 5 and this one by 5, these 5's cancel out. 5 and negative 2 is negative 10. The 5's cancel out, leave you with 48. And then 5 times b is 5b. To get b, or to solve for b, we're going to minus 48. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. And then we have 5b. These cancel out, equals negative 58. Now we're going to divide both sides by 5. Divided by 5, divided by 5. So we have b equals negative 58/5. So our final equation is y equals 8/5 x minus 58/5.